babae. So, hi guys! We're back in her house.
Di, ang gulo ng bahay.
Girl, they are not seeing the entirety. They're just seeing me. So, this is the haul today. First things first. I'm already ready for Christmas. Everything Christmas. So, I'm gonna wear this on Christmas. And reuse it again next year because I need my ROI. So, next. I got this cute alpaca bag charm. It's like kids coffee alpaca. She's so cute. Hi. And this iPad case. So, the things that we thrifted. This frozen lunch bag is for a gift for my niece. If I have a lot of money today, I would have gone ballistic and bought all of the things there. But I'm not. I'm trying to be a responsible adult. Next is the, oh my god guys, I got so many original stuff. I believe this is authentic. A Burberry coin purse. It's so sturdy and so good looking. I can't. A vintage Pierre Cardin wallet.
Sorry.
In good condition. And a Longchamp makeup pouch. Yeah. It has a code inside. Yeah. Next is this windbreaker jacket for my husband. It's in good condition. My husband is very picky with the things that he wears. I honestly don't like shopping for him because what I think is good, most of the time he doesn't like. But this is it. A windbreaker jacket. Oh, I love this one. My Christmas Eve outfit is ready. This red top with a glittery R on it. Ranger's Vlogs, hello! And, oh, this lipstick case, vintage lipstick case with a mirror inside. And this LBD large black dress for me. It has like see-through detailing. It can be worn on the New Year's Eve. I don't know. So that's everything that I bought in the thrift store today. So much of reading at the cafe. Okay. My friend is now cooking dinner because I'm gonna eat here because I'm tired and I want to eat here. Okay, joke time. Last is this Papersmith tote bag, right on. This is the most expensive one because this is 200. But I bought it because it's very good quality and I don't have a tote bag like this anymore in my bag collection. Everything is in leather. It's for women use. But this is for errands or like a quick cafe reading schedule, something like that.